sticky honey ginger charcoal thighs. Chicken thighs recipe for dinner, or call it smoky ginger and honey thighs on the charcoal. You're gonna be licking your fingers.
Mair born hungry is delicious.
Name is Mair, you're watching Mair Born Hungry YouTube channel. Let's make sticky honey ginger charcoal thighs. 5 pounds of the chicken thighs. We have fresh ginger, we have green onions, some honey, yes, sesame seed, chili flakes, salt, soy sauce and olive oil. First of all, we will take out our chicken thighs. Look at this thigh. This is jumbo piece, man. They're gonna be juicy, tender and delicious. So here you go. Let's add this right here. 8 beautiful thighs. Now let's make the marinade. Here you go, blender juicer. Grab the ginger, make small slices out of it. If you want to add ginger paste, you can add it, but I would strongly suggest use 120 grams of fresh ginger. For the ginger paste, at least 6 tablespoons of the ginger paste should go in your chicken thighs. Take 3 to 4 spring onions. 1 cup of olive oil. You can use canola oil, you can use vegetable oil. I feel olive oil is the healthiest version. For the liquid marinade, let's take some soy sauce. At least 5 tablespoons of soy sauce goes in here. Every pound has 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. Let's blend the ginger, the green onion, olive oil and the soy sauce. Couple minutes of the blend. Look at this delicious smoothie, fine smoothie. You need this. Let's marinate. Put some dry ingredients. We will take chili flakes, and here you go for the 5 pound. 1, 2 and 3 tablespoons. Regular table salt, 1 and 2 tablespoons are enough. We don't want to overpower the salt. Here goes organic honey. You can do 1 whole baking cup of the honey, or you can do 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5 tablespoons of organic raw honey. Here goes our smoothie right here. Use your hand, give it a mix. It is fragrant. Make sure you rub all the surfaces so your delicious sticky honey ginger charcoal thighs marinade should look like this. Our thighs are fully marinated. Let's cover it, put the lid on top at least for 30 minutes. And in the 30 minutes, we will set up our charcoal grill. We will light up our charcoals. Charcoals are almost ready. We are cooking these thighs with the indirect method. So indirect means all the charcoals are at one side. 30 minutes we will be cooking the thighs on the indirect method. So we will be putting thighs on this side, not on top of the charcoals, not the direct way. And we'll put the lid on top. Here are our thighs. Yum. Grab the thigh, go under the bone and take it out from the other side. There you go. This is how it's going to be. Get into the meat, get under the bone and then take it out from here. While we are cooking these thighs, the skin might get detached, but don't worry about it. The taste, the flavor is gonna stay right there. If you don't have skewers, you don't have to put it onto the skewers. It's just to make a uniform look. Whoa, big. Goes in here. Whoa. Okay, so indirect method is this. They are not on the coals. Here is the lid. Put it on top. Leave the vent open from top so it can breathe. And give 15 minutes. And after 15 minutes, we will do a flip. It's been 15 minutes. Let's flip our delicious, smoky, fantastic thighs. Wow, whoa, 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 look at this. The golden glaze, and this was a little bit close to the fire. All right, so flip, put this side now. Same thing we are cooking now, indirect method. 15 more minutes to go. 30 minutes are gone since we added the thighs with the indirect method of cooking. Here you go. Okay, this is the flip, and here you go. If you want more char on it, you can definitely put directly on the fire, but we don't need that. We have already cooked these delicious thighs. They look juicy, they look fantastic, they're completely done. Just give another 10 minutes. If you want to flip it, if you want to give more smoke, you can definitely do that. Just adding a little bit more honey on top.
When will I return?
Sesame seed. Add some spring onions on top and some of the chili flakes. Look at this beauty. It's completely done under 1 hour. This is all the way cooked with the toppings, with the honey glaze. Time to dish out our delicious sticky honey ginger thighs. Here you go. One is without the skewer and one with the skewer, so you can differentiate. Have some more spring onion on top. Okay, have some ginger slices. Sticky honey ginger charcoal thighs are completely done. Wow, man, under 1 hour, juicy. The juice is still dripping, easy to do, very less ingredients. Make this recipe. Let me know your thoughts in the comment section. Let's do a taste test. All right, so the taste test. Whoa, they are hot. Look at this juice. Man, this thigh is the bomb. Right away, ginger, honey, oh my god.